Hello guys, how are you? This is Mr. Internet. Here I am with new topic, lakofsota numbers and to mean lakofsa number. Lakofsa to mean number. Here I have around 100 numbers starting from 0 to 100 and above. So I will show you how we pronounce them in Afaan oromoo. That is, you know that it is in English and in Amharic. But I think the Afaan oromoo one is new for you, so you can practice with me. Come on now. Okay, let's begin. 0, duwwaa, duwwaa, 0, tokko, tokko, 1, lama, lama, 2, sadii, sadii, 3, afur, afur, 4, shan, shan, 5, ja'a, ja'a, 6, torba, torba, 7, saddeet, saddeet, 8, sagal, sagal, 9, kudhan, kudhan, 10. Here, kudha tokko. But most of the time, students made a mistake. They say 11 like kudhan tokko. Kudhan tokko. Here, kudhan means 10, yes? Tokko means 1. So to say kudha tokko, most of the time you made a mistake by saying kudhan tokko. By saying what? Kudhan tokko. It is not kudhan tokko. It should be kudha tokko. Kudha tokko 11. Kudha lama. Kudha lama 12. Kudha sadii. Kudha sadii 13. Kudha afur. Kudha afur 14. You can say the word after me. The Oromic word after me. The second. When I say for the second time, you can say with me. Kudha afur 14. Kudha shan. Kudha shan 15. Kudha ja'a. Kudha ja'a 16. Kudha torba. Kudha torba 17. Kudha saddeet. Kudha saddeet 18. Kudha sagal. Kudha sagal 19. Digdama. Digdama 20. Here it is the same when we count digdami 1 up to sodoma. 21 up to 13, that means. Here, let's see. As I told you in the, which is here around kudha tokko, most of the time students made a mistake by saying that kudhan tokko. It should be kudha tokko. Here again, you made a mistake by saying digdama tokko. Not digdama tokko. It should be digdami tokko. Digdami tokko 21. Digdami lama 22. Digdami sadii 23. Digdami afur. Digdami shan. Digdami ja'a 26. Digdami torba 27. Digdami saddeet. Digdami saddeet 28. Digdami sagal. Digdami sagal 29. 29. Soddoma. Soddoma 30. 30, I mean 30, sorry. 30. Here, soddoma means 30. When you want to say 31, you know what 1 means. So, soddomi tokko to mean 31. Soddomi lama to mean 32. It is the same. Like here, digdami tokko, digdami lama. If it is 30, soddomi tokko, soddomi lama. Because here you can see soddoma. And you made I. You made I. Soddomi tokko. ስለዚህ if it is soddoma, it is 30. soddoma 30. If it is 31, soddomii tokko. If it is 32, soddomii lama. Blah blah, it continues. Afurtama 40. It is also the same like that. Afurtamii tokko. If it is 41, afurtamii lama, it's 42. Afurtamii sadii, 43. It continues. So here is the basic one. Shantama 15. Jahatama 60. Jahatama 60. Torbaatama 70. Torbaatama 70. Saddeettama 80. Sagaltama 90. Dhibba tokko 100. Dhibba tokko 100. But you can say dhibba. Dhibba only. You can say dhibba. To mean what? To mean what? 100. 100. Most of the time we say 100. We shouldn't consider one. But here you can say as well in Afaan Oromoo dhibba. Dhibba. But as well, if it is used like this, it is most easy. So you can say here dhibba tokko. Dhibba tokko to mean 100. 100. If it is more than 100, if it is 105, dhibba tokkoo fi shan. Dhibba tokkoo fi shan. What is 5? Shan. So dhibba tokkoo fi shan. What about if it is 120? Dhibba tokkoo fi digdama. Dhibba tokkoo fi digdama. What about 130? Dhibba tokkoo fi soddoma. Dhibba tokkoo fi soddoma. So like that, you can continue here. 100 means dhibba tokko. 200 means dhibba lama. Dhibba lama. Okay, here is all that I have for you. Thank you for listening. Just read this one. Subscribe to get more videos I posted. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.